Ben Lake.
Diolch, Mr Deputy Speaker. Being a citizen of the EU brings many tangible benefits, and this afternoon I would like to return the debate to focus a little bit on the impact of citizenship, European citizenship, on UK citizens. It allows people from the UK to move easily to mainland Europe and between European countries, be it for work, study or for pleasure. And what's more, when in Europe, it enables us to enjoy a range of rights, whether they be on healthcare, education, work and social security. Now, young people I meet feel particularly strongly about this issue. And given the insecurity clouding the horizons of so many across the UK, it isn't surprising that the material freedoms afforded by EU citizenship are held in such importance. EU citizenship and the rights it entails has for many become synonymous with opportunity. It offers the chance to broaden horizons. Now, as has already been mentioned in this afternoon's debate, there is no legal reason why a limit must be placed on such opportunity. No reason why UK citizens must be stripped of these rights and freedoms. As I mentioned, it is perhaps not a legal question, but more one of political will. The will of the public, and in particular their support of such a measure, is quite clear. As my honourable friend, the member for Arfon, mentioned in his opening remarks, according to research led by the London School of Economics and Opinion in July 2017, 6 out of 10 Britons who were asked want to keep their European Union citizenship after Brexit, particularly the right to live, work, study and travel within the EU. The support of retaining these rights is particularly strong among 18 to 24-year-olds, 85% of whom want to retain their EU citizenship in addition to the British citizenship. Mr Deputy Speaker, Ceredigion, the constituency that I have the honour of serving, was one of the handful of Welsh areas that voted to remain. Indeed, prior to the referendum, Ceredigion was widely reported as one of the most Europhile counties in the whole of the United Kingdom. My constituency, therefore, to put it very bluntly, did not support leaving the European Union, but most certainly it did not give any government a mandate to deny its citizens the rights and freedoms which membership of the EU ensured. As the honourable member referred to earlier, to limit the horizon, to limit the opportunities for a comparison to citizens of other European states. My point, therefore, to conclude, is that Brexit need not rid UK nationals, young or old, of these rights. And international law is quite clear on this. How UK nationals will retain their European citizenship after Brexit is therefore a question of political will. It is for the government to propose a model to achieve this and to negotiate so that it is included in the withdrawal agreement. Not only does associate citizenship present a possible solution, it also offers much needed compromise for an embattled government, a way to heal the deep divisions that have emerged across the UK. For again, I will reiterate a point I made earlier to the Honourable Lady. This would be a system, a model where one could opt in or refuse to opt in. The choice is there. It would be a way to heal divisions. And after all, as the former Education Secretary put it, if Brexit doesn't work for young people in our country, in the end, it will not be sustainable.